Okay, let's talk about the transform tool here. If you see, we have a several part of the object, shell, wheels, and you can see if you select an object, you can move, rotate object. But I don't suggest you because you can see if you select, we have a translate object, we have transform, rotation, scale, and the component of that here. Because it is very confusing sometimes, because if you select it, you can see it's 0, and the shell, its translate and its position is related to the shell, and you can see if you can see it's a gizmo here, and if you move it, you can see a strange number will be appear here. That's really confusing. I suggest you, if you want to move it, see below that, turn it off here. You can see, turn it off, then turn it on again. But here is a gizmo that you can move it in any axis that you want. You can see the axis of this is different from that. You can here simply move this in any direction that you want. This you can scale it at any direction, but we don't do that in this software because this is just a bridge to converting mesh or CAD to optimize mesh. And here you can rotate it if you want. You can see strange number here appear. In a transform, all in one, if you want, you can just rotate, you can just scale, you can just translate if you need, all in one. If you want to move pivot only, you can select that, and you can see that boxes are disappear, and just you can simply move the pivot on that, then holding Q or turn it off, and you can see the pivot point of the body will be changed. So you can make sure that you are if you click Q, you can see this box are gone. It tells you, okay, this is a pivot moving. You can see this box are gone. So if you right click on this, for example, we have other transform pivot. You can move the pivot point to selection center. Exactly, it's go to the selection center if you need. You can move pivot point to occurrence center. Okay, you can tell, you can select from here and see want to match which center of this occurrence, means this component here. Again, you can snap it to grid. We don't want to that. You can show hide, isolate that if you need. Move pivot point to origin, move pivot point to occurrence center, align pivot point to the word. You can see these are not matching to each other, and you can align it. Now you can see Y, X, and Z are now aligned, and you can move it if you need. If you want to work on a specific part, it's better to isolate that, to just see that and then work. You can see it's nicely remeshing everything. Nice. And then click isolate again. So this is all about the transform tool.